Hello guys, welcome. In this video quickly I will show you how to easily update your drivers, graphic drivers on Windows 10 or 11. So firstly guys, on the right as you can see I have Device Manager, so why I have it, I will show you a very simple way to update your drivers if you're just working on your computer and you don't want to install your drivers, you just want to update your graphics driver and get to work, you don't want to mess around with these, go to the websites and stuff like that. So that's actually pretty simple. You just need to find your display adapters. And this is going to be your GPU here, under display adapters, right click, and then press on update driver. Alright, search it automatically, and as you can see, if the best driver is already installed, you have to do nothing else, just go ahead and work. Right, if you do want to properly install your graphics drivers with the user interface, etc., and play games, guys, depending on which basically brand of graphics card you have, it's going to be a little bit different. So for AMD Radeon GPUs, you just type in your model, right, of your GPU. You can also do it more simply, for example, download NVIDIA drivers. So in the case of NVIDIA drivers is going to be GeForce Experience. So just type in GeForce Experience. So this is actually pretty simple and it's going to be for every GPU, almost every GPU. You just download this piece of application, as you can see, download now. You open it, and then there's going to be a button, as you can see, drivers right over there. It's small, but you can see it. And then just press on update drivers, and you're basically done. You need to do nothing else. Also, you can do the same. You can do the automatic install on AMD. So just type in AMD drivers. All right, so go here. And guys, download this application right over here. It's going to auto-detect the drivers for your GPU. It will download them and install them. If you want to go manual way, just insert your GPU name, go to drivers and software, Windows 11, and download this big file. As you can see, 874 megabytes. Also, there's going to be release date and the driver version. Then press on download, wait for the download to happen, and install the driver. Very simple. Guys, enjoy. If this helped, press like, subscribe and leave a comment, and I will see you soon.